Do you require a dry cleaner? Based in Fulham and surrounding areas? Our contact information can be found below, in the description of this video. Please quote coupon code DRYCLEANER102 to receive your free bonus. Hello. We are a local, professional dry cleaning shop, known for offering superior value to all of our clients. Do not hesitate to call us with any questions that you may have. If you are experiencing previous dry cleaning issues such as poor customer service, lack of clothing knowledge, unfriendly and unreliable staff, problems cleaning delicate fabrics, expensive prices, slow turnaround times, we understand how frustrating these dry cleaning problems and many more can cause. No problem. We are here to help. We pride ourselves in our dry cleaning and professional service in Fulham. We offer a friendly, prompt customer service, dry cleaning with great fabric knowledge, alterations and repairs from our professional tailor, with 20 years of experience, experts in leather and suede cleaning, fair prices. We also manage household cleaning for curtains, duvets and covers, and general laundry. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. When you call, be sure to mention coupon code DRYCLEANER102 and receive a discount on top of our already affordable prices. Simply pop into our shop using the address provided, or call us on the number. Both are located in the description below.